Hello kids! So today we are going to learn the alphabets from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go. A. A is for apple. Apples are sweet, juicy, and so delicious. B. B is for bus. A big yellow bus takes children to the school. C. C is for cat. Cats are soft, cuddly, and very cute. D. D is for dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are big, strong, and are amazing creatures. E. E is for Earth. Earth is our beautiful blue home. F. F is for fire truck. Fire truck moves quickly and help keep us safe from fire. G. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are tall animals that love to eat leaves. H. H is for helicopter. Helicopters fly high in the sky. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold, creamy, and super yummy. J. J is for jet. Jet flies very fast through the sky. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos can jump very high. L. L is for lion. Lions are strong, brave, and known as the king of the jungle. M. M is for moon. The moon shines brightly and lights up the night sky. N. N is for nest. A nest is the cozy and safe home for birds. O. O is for octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and swims smoothly in the ocean. P. P is for pizza. Pizza is born, cheesy, and delicious. Q. Q is for quail. A quail is a small bird that loves to run on the road. R. R is for rocket. Rockets are fast and powerful and can travel into the space. S. S is for ship. Ship float on water and travel long distances across the sea. T. T is for train. Trains roll on tracks and are fun to ride. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorns are magical and beautiful imaginary creatures. V. V is for vegetables. Vegetables are colorful, crunchy, and good for our health. W is for whale. Whales are huge animals that swims gracefully in the ocean. X. X is for X-ray. X-ray helps doctors see inside our bodies. Y. Y is for yacht. Yacht sails smoothly across the water. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra are unique animals with black and white stripes. Great job, kids! You learned all the letters from A to Z today. Keep practicing your alphabet and learning new things every day. See you next time for more fun and learning adventures. Bye bye!